Hello and welcome to tueslearn.com. This is Virender and welcome to the seventh tutorial of this series. In this we are going to learn about something called lists, and as you can see I created a HTML file called order list, and I would like to open it with Google Chrome too. You know my habit. Close that off. Now I have created a new file, nothing in it, just a title list. Now if you what lists are used for is for listing elements. If you have a set of elements and you want to list them in a particular order, then there where we use lists. So there are three types of lists: ordered list, unordered list, and definition lists. In this particular section we are going to cover ordered list, and if there is time then we will think about unordered and definition list. So let's have a look about the ordered list. Order list starts from something called OL, and as it's a companion tag it's close, it's also, so OL stands for order list, and then there comes is list elements, LI, and now this is the ordered list, and these are the elements of the ordered list. Anything that I put here will be the element of ordered list. For example, if I write apple, so apple will be the first element of the ordered list. If I'll make, okay, let me just copy that and yeah, paste it in here, and let me type banana, save that. So now this list has two elements, banana, apple. If I refresh this, you can see that apple and banana. So one, two, list, elements list. In a similar way, if you want to add more items you can do that. All you have to do is simply adding li elements. This is a list elements, so a mango will do here, and an orange. Okay, there, save this, refresh. Now as you can see that in there they are listed in an order. Or in order sense, we know that particularly in which element is in which order. For example, mango is in the third position and banana is in the second, so we know the order of the elements in here. Also, it's not just numbers from which we can know the orders. They could be alphabet, characters, or they could be even Roman numbers. So in that case, how we could change that is we can type equals A, which means that now they will be ordered as A, B, C, D, E of small letters. Refresh. Okay, save that first. Refresh. There. In a similar way, if you want to order them with the capital letters, you write that, refresh that, it works like this. And if you want to uh, if you want to get a Roman number, then capital small I, say that, refresh, and now 1 2 3 4 in Roman letters. Similarly for capital Roman letters, capital I, save that, refresh that, and it works like this. Also, if you want to start a number from a particular number, for example, if you want it to start from the fifth number, starting from the 5, then what you have to do is write start equals 5 and save that, refresh, look, 5 6 7 8. Similarly, in a similar way, if you do it 16, save that, refresh, there. If you want the A B C D E letters to be ordered in the same way, then you can type that too. For example, let me type equals A, and by the way, it's all equal in HTML, that whether you put these quotes or not. For example, if I remove those quotes and if I start put quotes here, it would be the same, because it's not, HTML is a very easy and unstrict language, so you can do that. Save that, refresh, And now look, it's starting from PQRS, which is P is being the 16th position in ABCDE. For example, there are 5, save that, refresh, PDEFGH. So this is how we do use the ordered list elements, and where it is useful, well, you can also do nesting in ordered list. For example, in a particular section, for example, when you had a list under a list, then there you can use such kind of type and starts. For example, there is an OL with a list element called fruits. Okay, and in this list element, okay, cut that, there is, so this is an ordered list, and this is the list item fruits. If I save that, refresh that, so there's only one element named fruits. In the fruits too, I have something called uh, wait a minute, first do it. So there, so this is our first element, fruits. Inside fruits there is banana, mango, orange being the element of these fruits, but first we need to create an order list here too. So let me type OL slash OL. So here, and subordered list in a ordered list, in another ordered list. So now if you refresh this, by first save, refresh, look, fruits, and inside fruits there's banana, mango, orange. And in the same wise, likewise, you can do for another element. For example, list, there is veggie tables, and close that, save that, refresh. So this is another element called vegetables. Inside vegetables you can put something else. For example, first you need to start an order list. Okay, there, and after that you can add elements to it. For example, you can add okay, spinach, okay, I like potato. So, and close it, control save that, refresh. So you can see in this is a main ordered list in which there are two elements, fruit and vegetables, and inside, even inside these two list elements, there are another ordered list having sub elements. So now they are 1 2 and they are 1 2 3, so it would be confusing. So that's why we use uh, told you already, type being a, okay, save that. And also in this you can use type a also, but start with you can say 2, save, refresh. For example, ABC and BC and likewise. So in this way you use ordered list, and that's how you do the nesting of ordered list. Okay, so I think that's good enough for this tutorial, and I'll tell you something about unordered list and the definition list in the next tutorial. And thank you and have a nice day.